ano to, bibigyan ko yung money. Pag nag-guess mo. Kuha sa balon. Ta 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 ta.
I got gold, yes! I got 2 irons, Skibidi. I got 1 iron. Skibidi, got
Oh, nandito na tayo.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
Pinatay ako.
Ano yun? Kuya, ayan na.
No!
Please! Huwag na tayo mag-
Yes,
Opo,
akit na
wag
lang
na.
ako. Ay!
Paano yun? Mystic time. Skibidi torch.
Ay, ako magdidig.
Torch, torch, skibidi. Oh, torch.
Wala akong pandig. Bigyan mo ako.
Ikaw na, wala pa. Uy, mga sorry, night.
May stick lang dito.
Oh, sorry, night.
Hoy!
Stop, stop, stop.
So, kailangan namin makatapos ng Minecraft
May
gamit.
pasok yung dark please.
Patry namin mapatay goal makakuha. Goal makakuha ng diamonds with mining this one block. This thing. Yeah, that. See?
Get up! Get up!
Yes, yes, yes. Hey,
Oh, damn it.
wait lang.
Drop the stone. Drop the skibidi stone.
Magkakrap lang ako. Goal makakuha ng diamonds.
What?
Malay mo may mag-spawn na diamond.
Everyone with us in this place.
Boyfriend Phase 2 and Boyfriend Phase 3 are friends.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
okay. Gagawa na tayo ng... Uy, gabi na pala.
Of course.
Gawa na tayo ng pickaxe.
Ay, nahulog ako sa tubig.
Pangit daw.
Pangit na hulog ako sa tubig.
Mine. 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 Ay! Tinan nyo yung avatar ko, guys. Tana na. Damage pa. Kalbo ako, guys, na lolo. 2 hearts, 3 hearts na. 3 hearts na lang ako.
Ano yun, nahulog po ako.
Uy, grass block.
Nagkakarap ako. Ang bilang na ako. I think stone.
Oh, may stone dito.
Oh,
Pinatay.
Pinatay.
Pinatay ako. Pinatay ako. Pinatay ako.
Ay, naulan na!
Life is raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig.
Umulan ko. Ay, sorry. Ito yung kapatid.
Oh my God.
Pakita mo ako. Naulan. Ba't? Bakit may treasure chest dito?
Sa akin yan! Subukan mo hawakan! Huwag ako sa world ko! Huwag ako sa world ko! Huwag ako hawakan!
I-extend ko lang. I-extend ko lang.
Huwag ako sa world ko!
Wala kami subscribe. Kaya, ano ba ginagawa nyo? Cringe yun. Wait lang.
Huwag ako sa world, guys! Oh my gosh, what happened?
Wait lang. Wait lang.
I forgot I have Get a stone pickaxe! I was laughing so
Okay, nalaman ko na hindi pala pwede yun. Ba? Get it. Get it. Oak hole. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Wait. Gawin natin. Wait, gawa tayong fence. Gawa tayong fence. Para hindi siya makalabas. Our goal is to make our one block a town. Okay lang. Oh, fall na naman. Fall na naman. Grabe. Sa'yo yan. May stone pickaxe ka. Ano ba? Oh. Pinatay na naman ako. Pinatay na naman ako ni Mohawk na to. Ay, may umutot.
Bakit ako? Ano mo na ako magawa?
Ooh. Wala man na ako nagawa.
Ano mo na ako magawa?
Ooh.
Kuya,
Ano? Nagmamine ako dito para ma-extend. What? What? Anong binigay mo? Golden ticket binigay mo. Naulan pa. Wala kaming ship na nakikita. Wala pa kaming ship. Ano yun, Eden?
Ano, 1 heart na lang?
Ikaw, 1 heart ka na lang. Bala ka, tatakasan kita. Pumpkin! What? Wait lang, tignan natin. Bro. Oy, ano yun? Wait! Shh. Oy, ang ingay mo. Wait, parang may isa. Umuulan pa rin.
I just found up on my road and fall down. I was behind the tree and I fall down.
Wala akong ginawa.
Any wood?
Oh wait, I just noticed. May pumpkin. Tan 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 tan.
Oh! Well, I have wood.
Underwear.
What
Tan
the?
tan tan tan. I said underwear.
Expand the island. There's what it
Pumpkin
I
skin.
fall down.
Wait, how do you plant?
Just get the plants and expand the island.
How do you plant seeds?
Like this. You have to do this, but you have to do like this. And but the seeds in.
Wait guys,
There's a moth.
paano lagay itong seed? Nalilito. Saan to? I-expand ko muna yun. Ibig sabihin daw ng lightning, bading ka daw.
Bakit ba din ka?
Ang laki na ng ano namin, babe. Wait, may torch.
Yes.
What? Ba't mo nilagyan ng fence? another one. I need... Kailangan ko ng ano. Kailangan ko ng wood so bad.
Saan yung Emmet?
Hindi ko napansin.
Steak on, Rex. Whoa, that's why I get a steak. Oh, I get a steak.
Macho. I didn't mean to do this. Look at it. Look at it.
Fix that right now.
Sorry.
That bothers me.
Mark. Break it. 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 Bading siya. Na. Don't push me, bro. How do you?
Alam ko sinasabi niya tulak yung kaso. Tama ako, kuya.
What? Nakakuha ka na naman, di mo ako binigyan.
Ito sa'yo.
Sigma?
Gusto mo arrows?
Oh, wait.
Ha? Ba't ganyan nilagay mo sa taas?
Oh, my...
Nag-picture ka ba?
Ano to?
Settings.
Ay, bulok. Ay!
Uy, tama may seed!
Wag, don't you dare suntok mo.
Oh, wait. Can you read it?
Yes. No.
What happened? You fall out of the steering wheel.
Why is nobody
Ay.
letting you through? Look, Tyler, they put a sign saying you out now.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Me again.
I should speed.
Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious?
It's an office. Let's go. Down here, Sonny.
No. Sorry. I can mine stone. It's already been 14 minutes and we hadn't been doing anything. So I think we just gonna continue this tomorrow. Yeah. I got an axe, guys. Ah! It's a spider. Oh no, I'm gonna